For all my fellow Fleetwood and Coleman Pop-up Camper friends, you may encounter a situation which the rivet on the door assembly breaks off of the supports. This is what it normally looks like, a 1/2-inch rivet that goes through. Brass, I guess. I wasn't able to find much on YouTube to help me real well. I found a couple things, but I came up with the idea with some other friends of replacing this with a binding barrel. A 1/4-inch rivet really didn't work well. As soon as I stepped on the platform I had to put in a rivet in there, it sheared off. So I went to a local hardware store, and for less than $2, I went to True Value, I picked up a binding barrel. It's a 1/4-inch length, 1/4-inch diameter. So I also got some Loctite thread locker and a washer. The tools I'm going to use is I used the drill to drill out the remaining rivet that was in this hole here. Once I did that, I found that this hole was 15/64 in size. So what I then proceeded to do was to take a grinding stone on my Dremel and grind out the hole so that it would accept a 1/4-inch screw or barrel bolt. And then I kind of ground this down a little bit so that my barrel bolt would easily slide. Here, I'll do it from this side. Up and down the slide and in and out of this hole. So again, I ground it out so it's a 1/4-inch. Pretty simple. I then am going to apply the Loctite to the screw of the barrel, of the binding barrel and screw assembly. Just simple as that. Make a mess on things. I'm going to insert that through the slide mechanism. I want to put a screw on this so that it more mimics the size of the 1/2-inch rivet on the other side. And then I'm going to put my barrel bolt, my binding barrel, onto the screw. You'll notice that I've raised the platform assembly because otherwise it was to make it easier for me to attach. I'm going to screw this assembly together rather tight. Take this support out. And the door raises, sets. It's a little tight, but I think I'd rather it be a tight. I can stand on it, and it works. 260 pounds standing on that. Okay, 270 maybe. I did this for $2 in parts. Pretty simple task. Like I said, I had mine break as I was driving down the road. The door fell open, it broke open. So this is my fix. I'll see about putting this on YouTube, and then everybody else can follow along, and if this ever fails on me, I'll remove it from YouTube. So I don't know if this is the right fix, but it's the right fix for me. Hope this helps you out. Have a great day. God bless.